And it is time for another beach adventure from Kalmar. And now on the jetty, that's part of the Kalmarsundsbadet. It has a huge sandy beach that is overlooking the Kalmar slot, the Kalmar Castle that I have visited earlier. And this castle has a significant meaning for Sweden, as it was um, the main ruling building during the Kalmar Union, which involved Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. And actually, Sweden celebrated 500 years of independence last year, as the Kalmar Union was abolished in 1523. That's a fun fact. But yes, this is how the beach looks like. The sandy beach was not that good, as there were lots of bird shit, so I have opted for the jetty because it is amazing and you can swim right in. It looks quite nice. I think it's 104 meters, I have read on one of the jetties, and there are 3 entrances, as I can see, into the water, which is amazing. We have quite warm day. Currently it is 23 degrees Celsius in the air. It is 4:30 p.m. and in the water at the sandy beach it was 23 degrees Celsius in the water. But right here where I'm gonna take a swim, I measured it once again, it is 20 degrees exactly. And I was wrong, and it's actually 180 meters long, and it was opened 18th of July 2014. So with that said, it's time for a beach adventure with Chris in Kalmar at Kalmarsundsbadet. So I'm so happy to take a swim here and enjoy to the maximum, right? I'm not very sure how deep it is here. It says that it's a bit shallow, so I'm gonna trust that and not jump. And give you a look also of the sandy beach from here, and the 2 sets of stairway to heaven, as I call it, because for me the sea is my heaven. So then let's embark into the unknown and enjoy with another beach adventure. So let's go. Amazing, it's so beautiful. Such a beautiful sunny day. 20th of June today, Thursday, and day 2 of my vacation, as I call it, Sweden vacation, that I'm gonna be for 11 days. So this is day 2. I'm in Kalmar right now, obviously, and I'm gonna stay here until tomorrow on Midsummer Eve, the national holiday, where I'm gonna head to Öland over the bridge that I have shown you in one of my earlier episodes. So it's pretty amazing, this jetty, right? For a swim into the sea, it's quite nice indeed. And we can see also the Kalmar slot from here as well, from the water. It's amazing, really. Indeed. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Cool, then that's a wrap from Kalmarsundsbadet. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. I'm gonna be enjoying here a bit more in the sea, the Baltic Sea. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!